Skip the expensive smoothie shop acai bowls and make your own right at home. Start with your blender jar, which will add all of our ingredients in. Add 2 packets of frozen unsweetened acai. These packets are 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. Add 1 frozen banana. Add 1 container or 5.3 ounces of frozen vanilla Greek yogurt. And 1 tablespoon of honey. We'll also need 4 ounces of milk, but don't add it quite yet. Place your blender jar on your blender base, then start blending. Slowly add about 1 ounce of milk and continue blending. We don't want to add all of our milk right away as we want to ensure we have a thick consistency. Scrape down the sides, push the ingredients around, and continue to add 1 ounce of milk at a time. For me, I used 3 ounces of milk in order to get the consistency in this video. Once you're done blending, take out a bowl which you'll eat your smoothie bowl from and add your mixture to the bowl. Now for our toppings. I went with 1/3 cup of granola, followed by some fresh blueberries, fresh strawberries, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and about a tablespoon of unsweetened shredded coconut flakes. And you're set to enjoy your acai protein smoothie bowl. This makes a generous single serving portion. If you want a smaller portion, you can have the ingredient amounts in the recipe. It's best to consume this right away as it will melt fairly quickly. If you want to enjoy later, place the blended base in a freezer-safe container and then thaw it slightly before blending it again to restore the smooth consistency. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.